I scared you. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna solve a 2x2 and I'm gonna time myself to solve this, and this is my timer. So I'm gonna scramble it up. And guys, you maybe not think that the Rubik's Cube is hard, but Rubik's Cubes are not that hard actually. I learned it by watching a video. I'm gonna follow the steps. Okay, that's a good scramble. Wait, no, wait. Okay, that's a good scramble. Okay, so you can see it. 3, 2, 1, go. I just wasted time thinking about it, but I think I can get it. That's pretty good. Let's see if I can beat it though. Let's try and beat 4963. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Just the same as last time. Go. I'm gonna beat it, definitely. That's really good! 23 seconds and 10 milliseconds. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay guys, now my daddy is trying to solve the 3x3. So harder than me. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Well, I'm going to show you guys what he's doing.
White cross. Okay.
And guys, I'm back at school and I wish the holidays were forever. Because I like staying at home, not going to school. Because I already almost know everything.
Oh, whatever.
I know the word anti-disestablishmentarianism. Guys, hit the like button if you know the word anti-disestablishmentarianism. Wait, how is that like a minute? Look, it's a minute already.
Very slowly. This is very embarrassing.
No, because you're just a beginner.
Okay. Okay, second layer done. Okay, yellow cross done.
Oh!
Yellow top done.
Oh!
Okay, now I need to do
Algorithm?
Algorithm, so it'll
Yeah, that's the algorithm what he needs to do.
U L U R R U.
2 minutes, 15 seconds.
Okay.
Guys, look,
Right side is
one by
done.
one.
So
One by one.
2.
One by one. One by one. I solved it in 2 milliseconds. World record. World record. World record. World record. Record. Okay, fine. That's a bit silly. There. I need to move my finger. Okay, go, go, go!
2 minutes and 48 seconds.
That's your record because you got 3 minutes before. Bye guys, see you in the next video, and make sure you subscribe to 1 by 1, 2 by 2, and 3 by 3. And I can juggle. Is that good? Yeah, okay. Bye! Hit the bell and like and subscribe.